We went to Jeonju just to eat. Jeonju has cooking traditions that have been passed down for centuries. This series of videos is going to show you 5 amazing Korean dishes that you must eat in Jeonju. We will avoid the street foods and focus on some dishes that you can find in restaurants in the Hanok village. We'll show you a makgeolli house that you can't miss, a hangover cure for the night of makgeolli, and a truly unique and delicious bowl of noodle soup. Recently, I've made a video about Yechan Makgeolli and all its delicious food, but I had to include it on this list. This place's walls are covered with memories of past guests. It's an amazing makgeolli house that you have to show your friends. I think you have to order the largest set with unlimited makgeolli to enjoy the maximum amount. They start you off with some pig's feet to gnaw on, a kimchi jeon or pancake with aged kimchi, one of the most amazing chicken soups I've had,
Oh my god.
and kimchi jjim that is slow roasted and extremely tender, with 2-year-old kimchi and some tofu.
This balls of power in your mouth. It's so tender.
When one plate is finished, then another replaces it. Second round starts with simply seared mushrooms that give your palate a rest. This round is filled with lighter morsels to munch on and drink. The next dish after this is something more exotic to me with a familiar taste. It's ginkgo nuts that taste like popcorn with a bitter finishing taste and a gummy texture. After that is a cheesy omelet. Who doesn't love these? The climax of this meal is fermented stingray, and it's called Hangover.
This scares me so much. Yeah, I don't want to do this. This is some jackass shit.
Watch the video I made to see us try Hangover. Yechan Makgeolli needs to be on every Jeonju to-do list. It's a Korean food experience that overloads your taste buds. Try all the foods, drink the makgeolli, bring friends, and make memories. I'm sweating right now, and I had some makgeolli last night. Let's deal with the headache from last night at Hyundai Oak Kongnamul Gukbap. It's in Jeonju's traditional market. This spot makes a powerful soup to take your pains away. It's made with Jeonju's high-quality bean sprouts and so many other fresh and powerful ingredients. It wakes you up with the first sip. The one thing that didn't help my hangover was the constant pounding of a mallet freshly crushing garlic for the soup. Let's go over what's in the soup. In the stock, there's anchovy, beef, and seaweed. Then they put bean sprouts, garlic, peppers, green onions, egg, seaweed paper, rice, kimchi, and you can add squid. But the garlic, green onion, gochu, or spicy green peppers, are freshly put in by the handful. This way you have the maximum amount of aromatic flavors in your mouth. They serve it with a steamed egg in a bowl on the side. Here, the lady is showing me that you put the soup in the steamed egg bowl, and you can also put kim in the soup as well. I really wasn't expecting all these flavors from this soup. It's a very powerful soup with a nice stock, fresh aromatic vegetables, and some rice. To be honest, I had a really tough time with the pounding of the garlic after drinking last night.
This is the best Kongnamul that I ever had in my life. Even my lips are burning so much, but I love it.
So this bean sprout soup is kind of like a hangover cure. And I had some makgeolli last night. And this bowl is making me sweat. It has like a handful of chilies, a handful of garlic, a handful of green onions. Like so many fresh vegetables, and my mouth is just like on fire. Anyways, it was really good, and I highly recommend that you try. There's a line out the door right now waiting to get in, so we got lucky. We have one more video left in the series, where we go to a couple traditional cafes and try some traditional bingsus and some traditional teas. And we also show you an incredible bowl of noodle soup. Thanks for watching.